example 1. Simplify 3 to the negative second power. A negative power simply means that it's been misplaced. It really belongs on the bottom. Now I want you to make a distinction right now between a negative number and a negative power. For example, negative 3 is to the first power. 3 to the negative first is the negative first power. This one has to be fixed. That one's already done. All right, so make a distinction between those two. But if I take a look at this structure and compare it to that, 3 to the negative second just means 1 over 3 squared. Okay, what's being raised to the negative second power is 3. There's no parentheses present. Okay. Once you move it where it belongs, the power which is negative in the numerator of the fraction, because that's officially where it's at to begin with, becomes positive in the denominator. And then you simply evaluate 3 squared equals 9, and that's your answer. Okay, moving on to example 2. 1 over 3 to the negative third. So 1 over a to the negative nth is equal to a to the nth. Okay, if it's on the bottom, it belongs on the top. So this belongs on the top. The 1's already up there. So if it has this structure, it becomes that. Again, once you fix the structure, the power changes from a negative to a positive power. That's what happened there. So 1 over number to a negative power becomes just number to the positive power. 3 to the third is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So fix the power first, then evaluate based on what you learned how to do when multiplying back in 4th grade, maybe. 3 times 3 was 4th grade, right?
Yeah.
3 times 9 also 4th grade, probably? Flashcards, yeah. Okay.
Or kindergarten.
Maybe kindergarten if you were advanced, I don't know. The negative 3 to the negative second power. Notice this time we have parentheses around the base. So this power is not affecting just the 3, but it's also affecting the minus sign. So what's actually being raised to the negative second power is negative 3. And once I move it where it belongs to the bottom, it becomes a positive power. The base stays the base. Okay, so when you're moving these things around, whatever's being raised to the power doesn't modify, only the power changes. And just like the very first example, this is a whole number structure to a negative power. So 1 over the number to the positive power to fix it. And again, since parentheses are involved, the minus sign and the 3 are both being squared. So 2 negatives make a positive. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 goes on top. All right, so in each case, dealing with powers, powers affect one object unless parentheses are involved. Then it can affect the sign and the number. Negative powers must be fixed. Once you fix them, you simply evaluate each object where they're located, make the answer a fraction if necessary, whole number if necessary.